When rockets take off, they have a fuel like this. Now, if you listen, you can hear a sound. You have to listen carefully. And so what I'm going to do is going to heat up this tube. And when I heat it up, the air inside is going to rise. If I keep it like this, not much will happen. If I go like this, the air will come out and vibrate, and we'll see where a rocket might sound like when it takes off. Let me heat it up. Is it getting red in there? All right, here we go. Listen carefully. Let's see what happens. Very red. Here we go. Listen. That's pretty cool. Thank you. A round of applause for the sound rocket. Let's see if that's where it will work. Here we go. Let's heat it up. It should get red hot. Is it getting red hot? And as soon as I turn it off, let's see if it will make a sound. Here we go. I turn it sideways, no sound. That's pretty cool, don't you agree? Thank you. The whole fire needs three things: the fuel, oxygen, and temperature. Now, what's really interesting, when a rocket takes off, it makes so much sound that that sound can bounce off the concrete and come back and destroy the rocket. So at the last second, they shoot all this water underneath there. That's when you see that giant cloud go up. Let me show you I'm going to heat the bottom of this. It's going to get hot and make air go up, and it's going to go through a screen, and that will make a sound. Let's see if it works. It almost sounds like a rocket. It's getting red hot. Is it getting hot? Yeah. Listen to the sound it makes. Here we go. If I turn it sideways, no. That's pretty cool, I think. Thank you.